So I'm definitely saying no to $20, but you come on more that 50, 75, then I'm like, okay, for 30 minutes worth of work, I'll do it. But in addition to that, again, they have a lot of instructions and stuff, but we know why they have to have the instructions, because people are just messing up stuff. So it is what it is. So don't say no, Jasmine. Counter is the word of the day. Hyra is a mentorship. Yeah, she said, I love the mentorship too. Highly recommended. Thank you. You're welcome, April. So what other questions do you all have while we're here about marketing your business? I think real quick, I'm going to share my screen and show y'all the new program while I'm here. Hold on. The new website. Hold on, Angela. Let me just pull it up right quick. And then we'll get the rest of the comments. Share screen. Tell me if you can see my screen, Angela. Can you see it?
Yes.
Cool. So these are the pricing for the packages, the notary marketing website and templates. So if you see here, we got the startup package. I won't go over what's included, but you can go back and check it out. The advanced package, you get a few more landing pages, and then, like I said, the Mac Daddy. And it's website plus marketing, because we could have said, you know what, let's give them just a website. But we already know you need all this other stuff too. You need business cards, you need your social media posts. So we're going to give you everything you need to get your business started. Everything on the back end. Everything. And again, don't forget, you can do payment plans on this. So this will build out your whole back. And then you got let me see, can I go back right quick? Well, let me show you the templates too while I'm here. So that's the websites. And then these are the templates. So we got a bundle for the templates. You got a resume in there, postcard with a photo. And this is a postcard a business card without a photo, because some people don't want their photo on there. So we took that into account. Then you have your actual postcard and a flyer size. So you get 2 postcards in that bundle. And then this is a sample of each one individually. So that's the business card with no picture, the one with the business card picture and front and back on it, the postcard, okay, front and back. And then this is the actual flyer. So those are all editable in Canva. You do not have to have a Canva account, like a paid account. I picked those on purpose because they're free. Okay, so we always try to make sure we give you everything you need. So I picked the free one, so you don't have to even have an account with them if you don't want to. Okay, I mean a paid account. So this is the mentorship. Don't forget, you get access to all of the trainings: Notarize Like a Pro, General Notary, Apostille, Loan Signing, Wedding Officiant. I forgot about that one. Google. Build your business, everything you need to do that notary business, even the tax course that I just added. Okay. And then in addition to that, here are our live workshops for the month. Okay. These are live workshops for this month. So we are on tomorrow, which is going to be steps to signing with signing companies. So again, a lot of times you guys need a little bit of help. So we're so pleased to have the programs the way that we've rolled them out, where you can. Oh, it's even a Ron training too. April, thank you. I forgot the Ron training. So we're so pleased to be able to offer you just about everything now at this point. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. That you need to get your notary business started. The training on the front end, how to do it properly, documents, et cetera, et cetera. And then on the back end, now building it out. So can you imagine, all you got to do is give us your colors, your slogan, your name of your business, your website. fill out that form right quick for us, and boom, 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 you got your whole business in a box basically on the back end. I wish I had somebody do that, and for the price, okay? Seriously. So sometimes people say, why is it so cheap? It's cheap because we think volume. And y'all came through really quick, Angela. I had to hijack for a second. The people came through because I was on here last week and I was talking about this thing where communities come together and put the money. We talked about that. So they was telling me what it's cost. So I think it was so in one group, and then Mexicans do it too. Hispanics. But I think my person was Mexican. That's why I said that. Hispanics, but my person that comment, I think she was a Mexican descent. And yeah, Hispanics, because my other friend is Colombian. So that's good. But she actually is of I was looking for the comments right quick, and she was telling me what it was called. Hold on one second. Let me see. Can I find it? And it was so cool. So this is a thing in community. So this is how we've based our pricing when it comes to being able to keep everything so low, because everybody is helping. It's called so-so. So-so, and then in the Latin community, it is called, where is that comment? Eek. I don't see her comment. It started with an M. I don't see the comment for the other person, because she commented too. And she said, yeah, we do that in my culture. So anyway, it's really when everybody kind of come together, and because everybody's contributing, you can help each person, you know? Here we go. So let's go over here to April. Says, do you help with Ron signings and training? So yeah, there's an overall course about Ron, April, but I don't get into the neck of it, like how to actually do it, because I don't do Ron. So I can't give you a full picture of it, but the video will help you to get started, the course that we have on Ron. Okay. April says, yes, they do. Oh, April. Thank you, April. Y'all be coming through. April is, thank you. I appreciate it. Ani, I love it. Where can I sign up? For the website, everything is at notaryeducatorsllc.com. It's the marketing plus price, marketing plus websites. And will y'all give your opinion on colors? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So the way the building out of the website is going to work really quick is you're going to submit the form. I'm going to look it over before I give it to my person who's building them on the back end for us. And she's actually very creative too. Thank God, because I needed her. She's helped me with so many things already. Sometimes you just got to pay, y'all. Sometimes, and it'd be killing me, but sometimes you just got to pay for what you need. So anyway, I'm going to look it over though. I'm going to say, hey, are you sure about these colors? Your business name, if you haven't committed to that name, because you know I already do that anyway. So imagine we building it for you. I want to make sure when we deliver it back to you is right. So we'll have another little conversation, like a handoff, to make sure you are in agreement. If for some reason you don't like something, you do get 2 opportunities to get it right. And of course, if you need another, we may not just trip out, because we're not those people. But yeah, we want to make sure your site looks good. Okay. Hyra says, April says, I love it. I'll do that. Hyra says, can you elaborate on the payment plan? Yeah, so it's over at, when you go to purchase it, you'll see Afterpay. It'll tell you exactly what it will cost. So depending on which option you choose, one of them might be like $100 per for 4 payments or whatever. The other one might be $40 a month. So yeah, there are payment options, and it's already built in when you go to actually pay for it. You can see it before you click, that you want to buy it. Okay. In the Dominican Republic is do you have pricing on your website? Do you have pricing on your website? Hi, what are you referring to, April? Thank you. You're amazing. Okay, April looked like she had to go. So if you have another question, or you can just feel free to drop it here. Ani says, I'm gonna look at it. I really need my own website. Girl, yes, Ani. Because you're already doing amazing. So this will take you next level. You want to add anything, Angela, about anything?
No, I think she was asking, was the pricing packages on the website?
Oh, okay. Yes.
And they are.
Yes, they are. Yeah. They are on the website. Any other questions y'all have while we here? Oh, okay. The price on the website. Yep. And we do use GoDaddy, so you do have to buy your domain.